Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a how-to video of fitting, if my camera will focus, of fitting a Pico PL10, what I think it's called, PL10 point motor. I won't do the wiring on this video, that'll be on a later video. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna do this on my chair. Actually, no, I won't. Do it on my chopping board. Okay, so we're gonna get the camera down here. It's a bit dark in this corner, so I'm gonna have to do this. Okay, standard bit of track. On this bit of track, you will see there is a hole in either end of the sleeper, and there's a hole there. This is where this comes in. So these you have to bend to a right angle so it doesn't interfere with your point, and you need these ones poked up. So all you have to do is you place them in here like so. Okay, so we're gonna try and get. They're quite tricky to get on sometimes. You gotta get them just right. Okay. Oh, I haven't got the pin in properly. Back out you come just a tad. See if I can get this in. Okay, I'm just gonna have to come off camera a little second because this is rather. There we go. There we go. It's in. Okay. So now that is applicated to the point. So if I switch, the rod is going to flick backwards and forwards. Lovely. Okay, so now it's applicated. You want to get a set of tweezers or some wire cutters or anything like this. I've got a pair of you just want to nip the and turn them just a little bit. Turn them just a little bit. What this does, it stops it falling out. There we go. Okay, now that it's on, go over to the layout. Okay. Now we are over at the layout. As you can tell, the hole is already cut for the motor. So then all we gotta do is hook this up to this bit of track. Put it in nice and gently. Test it still works. Put the harbour track back on. Well, the two sidings. Get that in. Let's get this last piece in. And there you have it. That is how you put together a Pico point motor. If you like this video, please go and subscribe and hit the like button. Hopefully you'll get more how-to videos soon. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope to see you soon.